Oh, hello. I decided to come out to one of my favorite places in the world, the Carbon County Environmental Center, because I need to know, what is my wingspan? What kind of a bird do I actually identify with? Am I a hummingbird? Am I a red-tailed hawk? Perhaps I'm a bald eagle. Wait a minute. Hey, don't laugh at that. All right, maybe I'm a bald eagle. I don't know. Let's find out. All right, so what's my wingspan? I'm going to line my head up with the bird. Maybe drop down a little bit. And I don't think I'm a bald eagle. A great blue heron. I could live with that. I like the great blue herons. They're really hard to sneak up on. They got amazing eyesight. I only say that because I've tried to sneak up on blue herons. All right, let's head down the block here, down the boardwalk. We're gonna go visit the birds. So these are the bird cages that the injured birds stay in. And here we can see we have a crow. Actually, that's a raven. Pretty big too. And if we pass next door, we have the peregrine falcon. Very cool birds. They can dive at speeds of over 200 miles per hour, and they're the fastest animals on the planet. That's crazy. We can see our little peregrine falcon friend back there. This guy's got the nice setup because he's got a birch tree inside. It comes out the top. I like that a lot. I like that it has some natural cover. Right next door, we have the broad-winged hawk. These guys have been making me a little bit sad. They want to fly, however, you know, they're injured. Here goes our little friend down there. He wants to take off, but he'll be unable to fly, unfortunately. It looks like one of his wings is clipped. This is the area that they bring the birds to convalesce or live out their days if they're injured and they can't be released back out into the wild. Turkey vulture. Do you know why the turkey vulture's face looks like that? It's so that bacteria and diseases don't stick to its face when it's eating carrion or other dead things. The Environmental Center takes care of birds that are most often they're hit by cars. Here we have the red-tailed hawk. I know that it sounds kind of weird, like, well, how are these birds hit by cars? Oftentimes it's something as simple as an apple core on the side of the road. You know, sometimes we throw things out the window and think, oh, it's biodegradable, it's okay. But there are still some things that are attractive to the birds. Let's take a walk down and see the eagles. Now, I gotta tell you, the eagles can be a little loud, so prepare yourself. I don't know that they like us coming into their neighborhood. Alright, so here we have the American bald eagle. I'm gonna get a little bit quiet when I'm walking up to them. It's gonna start talking, I know it. Hey, fella. Hi, fella. Like some kind of raptor. I wish I had some food for you. All right, we'll go see your brother or your sister. This is a golden eagle. Look how pretty. All right, I'm leaving. I'm sorry. I don't have anything for you to eat. I think that's what he's asking about. So we'll just continue on. Leave these two glorious, glorious eagles. We'll continue down the boardwalk. Eastern screech owl. And probably asleep in his little box up there, if you can see. And then a barred owl. I always thought the barred owl was really cool. Oh, there you are. Hi, friend. You clicking at me? And he just pooped. Oh, he's getting bigger to scare me off. I'm sorry, pal. I'm not trying to scare you. All right, I'll back away. And give you your privacy. Now the deck isn't very long. It's just a little circle. But it's always been something that I've enjoyed coming out to. Just a peaceful little spot back here in the woods. I think I might stop and have a seat.